This is a 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, power adjustable driver pedals, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, cruise control, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 19,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.